Newlands East khona la eThekwini lapho ke sekukhona kube khona ke ukudubulana phakathi kwamaphoyisa ke nabasolwa esikutholayo la emaphoyiseni ukuthi ke sekudutshulwe ke kwabulawa abasolwa ke ababili omunye ke oyedwa waboshwa. Amaphoyisa athi ke sonke lesigameko ke sisuke ke le ePortshepstone lapho ke abasolwa bebesolwa ke ngokuntshontsha ke impahla kwezinye zeimoto ezithutha impahla. Amaphoyisa kwazile ukuthi ke abalandelele bagcina ke baholela kuyona ke le ndawo yakho la eNewlands East lapho ke amaphoyisa kwazile ukuthi ke atholane nabo labasolwa. Kodwa ke ozosichazela kabanzi ngalo lonke ke lolu daba ngaso sonke lesigameko uyena ke ukhulumela amaphoyisa khona la kwaZulu Natal uBrigadier Jaynaka. Brigadier, siyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho. Cela usitshele nje kabanzi Brigadier ukuthi kwenzekaleni lana enanokuthi ke amaphoyisa akwazi kanjani ukuthi ke azafike kuyona le ndawo.
Okay, this incident unfolded from a robbery that took place in the paddock area just after 6 o'clock in the morning. So as we know, it's very dark now. It's winter, it's quite dark in the morning. The suspects were traveling in a Toyota Corolla. They held up the courier vehicle. They then stole various items from the vehicle, including electronic items and other expensive items, which they loaded in their vehicle, and they fled from the scene. Police and security companies were alerted, and they began to track the vehicle all the way from Paddock to Durban. When they reached this area in Newlands East, the suspects were just starting to offload the stolen goods from the vehicle. When they spotted police officers, they opened fire on the police, and there was an exchange of gunfire. During the shootout, 2 of the suspects were fatally wounded, and police officers arrested a third one unarmed. 2 firearms were also found on the crime scene. At this stage, we have all our forensic experts on the scene. We've also contacted IPID because this is a police shooting, and as we can see, investigations are unfolding.